Hello everyone. Today we are going to see the string part. Okay, in continuation of string series. Last series we have seen how to define the variable, string variable, how to define the multi-line value in the string variable, how to do the extract the value from the array, how to do the checking keywords. Okay, the specific keyword is available not or not in the given string. Okay, so in this series we are going to see the slicing. Okay, slicing is nothing but the we're going to extract the character from given range. Okay, let's consider we have hello words. The hello word is nothing but the two words. Okay, but I want to extract the value from the position 2 to 5. Okay, so last tutorial we have saw the string is nothing but the array. So array has own indexing, like start from 0 to the length, onwards length. Okay, so if you want extract the value from specific range, okay, let's consider I want to extract the value from 0 to 5. So that case we call is nothing but the slicing. Okay, so let's do the slicing. Okay, so first I'm going to say name is equal to hello world, comma, okay, print it. Okay, so I have to do the slicing. Okay, so I have to print the specific part of this name string variable. So just go to the bracket. Okay, and then I want to from 2 to 5. Okay, from 2, so 2 is nothing but a 0 1 2 to 5 I think here up to here, so it will say HELO. Okay, 2 to 5, so this is the nothing but 3 4 5. From the 2 3 4 5 we are going to extract the value from given range. Nothing, this is nothing but the slicing. Okay, so if I say 0 to 5 is going to say the hello, the first word completely. And if I say 8, I will say 9, 10. Okay, so this is what we're going to, this way we're going to do the size slicing, and you can extract the value, you can extract the data from the student. Okay, so slicing from the start. Okay, we have start ingesting our layout. This start ingesting the range will start from the first character. Okay, from the first character. If you say this 5, if you want to print the first 5 character. Okay, or if you just remove that 0 and just print the 5, it will also going to say from, it will start the ingesting from the 0, from the here, from the edge. Okay, so if you give the some specific value, that is going to from the going to print the value from specific variable ELO. Okay, is nothing but the slicing. Okay, so if you want, don't want mention the 5 here. Okay, just remove it, just remove it and hit the enter button. It will take first word and up to end. Okay, this is the end, so I just want to remove both. It will take a complete word, it will take a complete word. So this is the first part of this variable, this is the second part of this variable. Okay, so this value, not a variable, this variable value is the nothing but the slicing. So let's consider if you want try to give the negative indexing. Okay, negative index. So what happened if you give the negative indexing? So it's from the end to, it's starting from end. Okay, it will going to starting from end. So I want to print like -2. So what will the value of -2? It will not going to consider the last two variable, like consider uh, hash and d is not going to consider. It is going to start from second minus from the reverse position. From this is the reverse position. So if you give the minus, means it is going to from the reverse order, it's going to come up to -5. Sorry, it's going to comes to up to -5. So it just comes to ORL. So it is going to take the value up to -5. It's come reverse position. Okay, if you put the minus value, it will going to extract the value from the reverse position. That is use of slicing. pin basing, so you can do the plus and minus both things. That's the thing for this.